Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket live at SEMA 2018 alongside Charlie with BAK. What is up, my friend?
Sales, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You know, truck sales are up. The economy's doing awesome. And we are here to show off the latest in backflip technology.
I saw you giving a little demo to a couple of people who were watching this with their jaws on the floor earlier. This is quite the product.
Well, you know, trucks are cool. They're America's transportation, you know. It's not just for a work truck anymore. The husband, the wife, and the 2.3 kids are having fun, doing their vacation. The local contractors doing their little job site stuff. You know, trucks are not what they used to be. Trucks have changed. They went to a big four-door to handle all that family and all those passengers. They went to this little 5.5-foot bed, but it still lets you get so much out of this vehicle.
I love how you were talking about how everybody has, you know, the wife and the 2.5 kids. This right here takes into account the wife, the kids, and the worker.
Not only that, it takes into account the boat, the motorcycle, the snowboards, and all the gear that goes along with that family. And that's why you bought this truck. And I'd love to show you how cool it is to help complement that lifestyle.
Please do that. We're talking about the MX4. This is the #1 selling cover in the world, right?
Absolutely. BAK Industries invented this flush fit, hard folding cover.
I like that.
2005. Oh, I do it all weekend long. So, you know, these trucks are cool. They come with a factory tailgate lock. You lock the tailgate. I don't put any keys that face the sky. I don't want water to get in and freeze overnight or sand to cause failure. There's already a lock on the truck, so we're going to take advantage of that. When you unlock and lower the tailgate, then you get access to the release cable hidden underneath the cover.
Beautiful. And you got a release cable here and there, so no matter where you stand, you're next.
If you're on the driver's side or the passenger side, you're going to click that and fold that automatic open. Another time, let you fold it again. Now here we got a strap and buckle. Now, wonder what that's for. That's so you can strap it in and have incremental partial access to the bed. If you just need to load a table saw or something small in the back, it gives you that incremental option. But the big deal, and I got motorcycles, and I got a lot of big gear, and I buy a lot of stuff, is this last fold where this cover comes upright. Now notice here there's some bumpers. These are high-density foam. That's going to leave safely and securely to prevent damage to your cabin, to your glass, in the event of shifting cargo.
That's a man who believes in his product right there. You just gave a chop to that thing. It's nice.
Oh, I beat on this thing like you wouldn't believe. I want to know where it's going to break, and I haven't broke it yet. So this locking rod here and this slide lock is going to secure that in the wide open position. You'll notice that you can still see the safety equipment, the third brake light above, so it provides a certain amount of safety from behind. Now I can load up my motorcycle, that new refrigerator I just bought at Costco that I'm in a rush to get home, and I don't want to pay no delivery fee. I bought a truck so I can deliver my own stuff.
Absolutely.
And then when that motorcycle comes out, and I'm going to go take that big ride, this cover is going to fold down and lock up all the valuables. That greasy gear bag, that tool kit. The weight of the cover is naturally going to latch into the rail automatically. And as it comes down, it's just so easy and effortless. Anyone can do it.
I'm seeing you do it with one arm here.
It is one-handed operation. But you know what? The best things in life are the simplest. And when my wife takes the run to Costco and the Ross Dress for Less and the grocery store, I want her to have an easy time. And the new Easy Close tailgate seal is a real game changer. The backflip technology used to require you to close the tailgate first and then close the cover.
That's lame.
Well, this is new, baby.
Okay.
And what's new is the easy close, where you can open the tailgate and like butter, it closes easy.
That's smooth,
like that.
smooth, nice.
Better than sliced bread, baby.
Like butter, you can fry an egg in that, can't you?
You know, this thing just, it flips, it folds, it locks, it loads, it does everything you need it to. It lets you use your truck. It lets you protect cargo in the bed. So guess what? It ain't in the backseat, and my kids ain't stepping on the bread.
I'm telling you what, you're like Ronco, man. With this whole thing, you can set it.
But wait, there's more.
And forget it. That's right.
Now, I got to tell you, this cover can hold 400 pounds of weight over the top. And we do that with our patented rail. We got a load-bearing flange that rests a ½ inch on top of the bed cap. And when you're looking out for your truck, it's not just about protecting the bed. It's about tying off that motorcycle and adding stake pocket tie-downs like the bull rings that go right in the hole because my rail allows that to happen. Your new Chevrolet, you grab on and you step into the bumper to step up into the bed.
That's right.
I leave that access port open. If you want to add a headache rack, an overhead rack, a bed extender, the BAKFlip MX4 lets you have a host of these other accessories that you can have your truck work the way you want it to.
Well, you've been talking about how practical this is, too. Let's just talk about how sexy it looks.
It is a sexy beast. You know, all these new trucks are coming with an OEM bed cap protector standard. Doesn't matter if it's a Chevy, a Ford, a Toyota, you name it. There's a matte black plastic trim right there. And the new MX4 with the matte finish is a beautiful match to that truck.
Why wouldn't you want it to match?
I couldn't even comment.
Exactly. There we go. So try it out, man. Talking about that BAKFlip MX4. We do sell it right now at MidwestAftermarket.com. Charlie, thank you so much.
It's so easy, baby. Best things in life are.
You make it easy. It's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time. I like that. I'm going to talk very much.
And we're going to see you again soon.
Okay, good.